This is everything you need to know about how to turn a standard cupboard like this into this. Hey, I'm Lucas. This is how to install an appliance cupboard. Let's get into it. What I'm going to be doing is using this timber base on the fixed shelf as a bit of a feature piece. I'm then going to be using these pink adhesive tiles as well as these black tone shelves to complement the timber. Using these is actually a bit of a hack. These are actually from our bathroom range, and given that none of this is permanent, this is a great project for renters. So now that we have all the products we need, let's take these doors off their hinges. I'm taking out these two middle shelves to create some space, but leaving this one here as this will be the one to have the timber panel and appliances on it. I'm also going to leave this one here as that will give me a good spot for storage. Moving on to our bench top. Measure and mark out the dimensions of the fixed shelf, then cut the timber to the appropriate size. Once cut, give the edge a quick sand using a piece of sandpaper to ensure that smooth finish. To seal the timber and make it more stain resistant, I'm going to be applying an oil all over, and while it dries, I'm going to get cracking on my tiles. These are adhesive tiles, meaning you peel and stick them onto the surface. Unlike permanent tiles, this allows them to be removed quite easily. You simply peel it off. This means that we can change up the space quite easily or otherwise return the cupboard to its original state before moving out. These tiles are 0.45 square meters per pack. So to work out how many panels we need, I'm going to measure, then calculate the square meterage. For this space, it's 1.9 by 1 meter, so 1.9 square meters. We need around 5 packs. It's a good idea to start in the corner of your back panel and work your way across. When you get to the last panel before the corner, measure the remaining gap, then measure and mark that same measurement on the panel, and cut tiles to size using a utility knife. As tempting as it is to rush this part, it's a good idea to take your time and avoid any mistakes. Lastly, I'll be installing this suction shelving onto the side walls for some extra storage. And there you have it, a stylish appliance cupboard to store those bulky items, freeing up your bench space. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. We've got plenty more DIY guides coming your way to help guide you through that next project with confidence.